Welcome to a quick guide on finding a channel on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've been wondering how to discover channels without leaving your computer, this short walkthrough will get you there in just a few simple steps. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. Make sure you're signed in by scanning the QR code with your phone. Once you're in, you'll notice the familiar chats list on the left side of the screen. This layout is designed to keep everything you need within easy reach, including a new way to access channels. From the left sidebar, click on Channels. This is your gateway to a growing world of content, updates, and conversations that you can customize to your interests. If you don't see channels right away, give the page a moment to load or ensure you're on the latest version of WhatsApp Web. Next, at the top of the channels page, look for the plus sign and click on it. This announces that you're ready to add or join a new channel. The plus symbol is a clear invitation to expand your WhatsApp experience, connecting you with creators, communities, and niche topics you care about. Now, click on Find Channels. This feature is designed to help you discover channels that match your curiosity. It's a focused search hub that brings together channels across different languages and subjects, all in one place for easy exploration. Enter the channel's name or browse to explore for it. If you already know the exact name, type it in to jump straight to the channel. If you're unsure, use broad terms or keywords related to topics you enjoy. The search results will appear, giving you a quick overview of each channel's purpose and content. When you see a channel you're interested in, click on it to view more details. You can read a short description, check how many members or followers it has, and see recent posts to gauge whether it fits your interests. If it feels right, choose to join or follow the channel to start receiving updates directly in WhatsApp Web. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effortlessly discover and join channels from your PC, staying connected with creators and communities without switching devices.